We'd like to welcome you to Binance Futures Trading Tutorial. This video will guide you through the process of trading futures with Binance. Before we start, we'll briefly outline the concept of futures trading. What exactly is futures trading? Futures trading is one type of trading that permits you to purchase or sell an asset at a set price and time in the near future. It's a means to speculate on the price movements of an asset without having it actually in your possession. Step 1. Create a Binance Futures account. To begin making futures trading on Binance, it is necessary to establish an account for futures. If already an account on Binance, you'll need to log in and allow futures trading. If you do not have an existing Binance account yet, then you'll have to sign up and complete the verification procedure. Step 2. Deposit the funds. Once you've got the account set up, it is time to make a deposit. To do this, head to your Wallet tab and then click Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit and follow the directions to transfer the funds into the futures accounts of your account. 3. Pick the futures contract. Binance provides a range of futures contracts that are compatible with various cryptocurrencies. Select the contract you would like to trade, then click Trade to access into the trade interface. 4. Place an order. When you're on the trading platform, you'll be able to make an order. You have the option to buy or sell a contract based on the market's outlook. Choose the amount you wish to trade as well as the leverage level and the type of order, market or limit. Phase 5. Observe your trade. Once you've made your purchase after you've placed your order, you can follow your trade on your Positions tab. You will be able to view the open orders in addition to your realized and unrealized profits and losses, as well as the marginates. This is it. Here's a brief overview of how you can deal with futures trading on Binance. Always conduct your research and make your trades in a responsible manner. Thank you for watching and a happy trading.